Hello everyone, welcome to Ahadin Academy online tutorial. Today's topic is aestheticism. Aestheticism had a long and complicated history in France, descending from Gautier, Baudelaire, Flaubert, and others. In England, the ideology, though articulated by Walter Pater, is often traced further back in time to Blake and Keats. The Pre-Raphaelites gave out the first plain statement of art for art, and at the turn of the century, this doctrine was espoused by Oscar Wilde, Arthur Symons, and numerous others. Aestheticism subscribed to the principle that art was supreme, meriting the devotion of an acolyte as it was the highest good. In the words of Oscar Wilde, the constancy of the artist can be to the principle of beauty only. Wilde further emphasized art finds her own perfection within and not outside of herself. She is not to be judged by any external standard of resemblance. In other words, art was to be indifferent to social evils and problems. The movement was thus hostile to middle class values. It was also antithetical to the romantic tradition of art as an activity cooperating with nature and completing it. Art was the opposite of nature, formal and artificial, and its purpose was beauty, inhering in form and style. The artist worked for perfection and could be understood only by fellow artists, not the lumpen proletariat. The theory influenced Wallace Stevens, the American poet, and William Butler Yeats. The latest Byzantine poems can be justifiably considered an elaboration of the basic premise of aestheticism. Thank you.